Dear students, welcome to virtual classroom of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. I am Sri Kumar. The class is for 10th standard students. Subject is mathematics. Let me begin the class. Dear students, we are getting into a new chapter, geometric constructions. Constructions are important part of our studies. Construction study is very important in the construction of small and big things in and around us in future and now. So geometry construction is a very important chapter in that respect, where we are learning the fundamentals of construction of things with the help of its accuracy in geometry. Chalo, we will just stick to what is given in the textbook, what is supposed to go learn in the textbook, and in that case we know that there are different types of construction you have to study and understand. In that, the first one is construction of a triangle. Here it is given as ABC, similar to the triangle PQR, where we are given the sides of the triangle ABC and the ratio of the sides of two triangles. So whenever we see the ratio of the size of the sides of the triangle, it immediately takes us to the concept of similarity of triangle, which we studied in the first chapter, where we found that the sides of similar triangles will be proportional. So that concept, which studied in first standard, will be applied here in the fourth chapter during the construction of similar triangle. Another type of construction what you have to learn or understand is construct any ABC. That means you will make a triangle and construct triangle A dash B C dash, again, which is similar to it. So it is just like, how can we copy a triangle? For that, what is given? Here also the ratio between the sides are given. You can see. This is the second type of construction you have to study, where you are constructing similar triangles where ratio of the sides are given. Again, when ratio of the sides are given but no measurement is given, no centimeter meter, so this is a different type of construction. Third construction you have to study is construct A dash B C dash. Here it was construct ABC, similar to ABC, such that AB is to A dash B is 5:7. So what is the difference between these two construction? In the first construction, any triangle, here also it can be any triangle, A dash B C dash, but the difference is that here the AB is to A dash B is given as 5:3. Here it is 5:7. The difference is that when the ratio of A dash B is 5:3, it indirectly tells us that 5 AB and A dash B. So AB is greater than A dash B, that is why 5:3. That means triangle ABC is big. आपका एक common sense के लिए बात कर रहा हूँ. But here when AB is to A dash B is taken, it is 5:7. It tells us that A dash B is bigger. A dash B is the part of the other triangle. Anyway, with this much of what we say initial common understanding about construction, let us move to construction. At that time you will get it more clear what I am trying to say. Before getting into the construction, certain construction tools and methods you should remember, which you studied in previous years. Among that, certain things are very important. One of the thing is, which I would like to tell you is, you should remember or you should recollect now at this moment one thing. That is the first thing I would say. You should remember how to construct a line parallel to given line. There is a line. You have to construct another parallel line, that too passing through a particular point. How to construct it? This you have studied. These are recalling things. If you have to draw a line parallel to this passing through this, there are more than one way. If you simply draw a line connecting to this, to the given line, an angle is developed, and you have studied that if there is a parallel line and a transversal, alternate angles, corresponding angles, all these things you have studied. In that case, this angle will be equal to the angle here. So if you can copy this angle here, you can construct a parallel line to it. That is one method. Second method, you are having a line and you need to draw a parallel line through this point given. You can draw a perpendicular to this, put an arc over here, draw the perpendicular. The perpendicular is drawn, you got a right angle here. Then draw another right angle or a perpendicular through this point, either in this direction or in this direction. For that, you will be extending this and will be putting the compass here, mark over here, draw a perpendicular. So this will be 90 again. So naturally these two will be parallel. You can extend it as much as you want. That is second method of drawing parallel line through a particular point outside the line. There is a simple method which is not considered for you, using scale and set square. If you keep a scale over here and push the set square in your instrument box in such a way that push it here, reach here and draw line, which is not considered in your case. You are in 10th standard. This means you should remember how to draw a parallel line through a point to the given line. Another thing is you should know how to draw perpendicular. This you should know. What kind of perpendicular? Bisector. How to divide a side. This will be required. You should also know how we can construct a triangle if all three sides are given. SSS construction you should remember. And you should also know if you have to divide a line segment into 5 equal parts or any number of equal parts, how to divide this equally, because no measurement is given. Or otherwise also how to divide a line segment into equal parts, this you should know. Also you should know to divide a line segment in given ratio also, which will be coming in the construction. To construct an angle congruent to the given angle which you have studied here will be applicable here. Perpendicular is applicable here. Construction of triangle I told here. Dividing a line segment into equal and as well as in the given ratio. These are, ये सब आपको याद करने के बाद ही 10th स्टैंडर्ड का कंस्ट्रक्शन शुरू होएगा. याद करने का काम 6th स्टैंडर्ड से लेके 9th स्टैंडर्ड तक कंस्ट्रक्शन में जो भी आपने सीखा प्रिंसिपल्स दैट यू शुड रिमेंबर, देन यू शुड स्टार्ट कंस्ट्रक्शन. ठीक है. ऑल व्हाट आई हैव टोल्ड यू नाउ, जो भी मैंने आपको बताया आपका टेक्स्ट बुक में पेज नंबर 91 के स्टार्टिंग में लेटस रिकॉल करके दिया है. मतलब ये सब रिकॉल करना ज़रूरी है, विदाउट विच यू कैन नॉट प्रोसीड. Now I am going for the construction of similar triangle as it is given. Under construction of similar triangle, because I saw the symbol here, it is only similar triangle will come. Similar triangle construction it is, because using the property of similarity in the construction also, because the proportion is given. How to do this? For doing this, we know that what will happen is there will be ABC, one triangle, another triangle PQR, which will be similar to it, not equal size. And we also know that one will be big, other will be small. Secondly, from this similarity, we know that the ratio of AB upon PQ is already given, which is equal to 3 upon 2, will be applicable to AC upon PR, also to BC upon QR. PQR. Okay, so this also you should know. This ratio is maintained 3 upon 2. If that is the ratio, and as they have given the size of the side, we can substitute here comfortably. Instead of AC, we can write 6 over here. Instead of AB, I can write 5.4 over here. Instead of BC, I can write 4.2 over here, which can be equated with 3 upon 2. In that case, we know that PQ can be calculated, PR can be calculated, QR also can be calculated. And that quantity you will be using for construction of triangle. So let me calculate that first. Chalo. So what we will do first is we are going to construct triangle ABC and then similar triangle PQR. As they are corresponding, we will simply say that AB, oh sorry, okay, AB upon PQ is equal to 3 upon 2 is equal to AB upon PQ. The order of writing से मैं लिख रहा हूँ, देखो AB लिए तो PQ लेना है और BC लिए तो QR लेना है. So I will write BC upon QR. If I write AC, I will write AC upon PR. Then we can find out the sides PQ, PR and QR from here. Correct? How can we find out? For finding out the side PQ, we will do like this. AB upon PQ is equal to 3 upon 2 is equal to AB is given as 5.4 upon PQ, where you will write 10.8 upon 3, which is equal to 3 3s are 9, 3.6. We got PQ. The same way BC upon QR. BC is 4.2 upon, I'm writing this. QR we don't know, but we know the ratio is 3 upon 2. 2 4s are 8.4 upon 3. The answer is 2 3s are 6, 24, 2.8. The last we need PR. AC is given as 6 upon PR for this is equal to 3 upon 2, where PR will be equal to PR will be equal to 12 upon 3, which is equal to 4. So we got all the three sides of the triangle to be constructed, which will be similar to the given triangle ABC. One side is 3.6 in the case of PQ. QR is equal to 2.8. PR is equal to 4. All the three sides we got, and for as far as ABC is concerned, three sides are given. मुझे ऐसा लगता है ये कंस्ट्रक्शन करके दिखाने का ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज दिस यू हैव डन इन 7th स्टैंडर्ड. इफ ऑल three sides are given, how to construct a triangle, even then as it is construction new chapter and new video, it becomes my responsibility to make at least one of that triangle, because the other triangle is similar to it by drawing, by in all respect it is similar. So I would like to draw one triangle among the, to show that how can we draw triangle if all three sides are given. The first step is simply making a rough diagram. A, B, C. AB is 5.4, BC is 4.2, AC is 6. So what we will do? We will put BC first. To put BC as the base first, we need our scale or ruler for that. Let me take the ruler. And we are asked to draw the baseline, that is BC, which is equal to 4.2. Okay, then we will mark it as BC. Without fail you should mark it, otherwise later it will become difficult for you. 4.2 unit. I am not writing centimeter because my scale is not on centimeter. Then B to A is 5.4, C to A is 6. That we will be doing with the help of compass. To get the point A, we need to get these two together. 4.2 is over. Now it is 5.4. That is from B to A. So I will put compass here. And now I have to take the compass and measure for CA. Measure for CA is 6 centimeter. Okay, see that whether our arc will come into that correctly. Okay, sorry that it comes in the area where I have written something. Now I will be connecting these 2 points to draw AB will be there. As I told you before, these are digital scales, not as smooth as our common scale. You cannot move it that smoothly. So bear with me, I am managing it. Okay, that is one side of the triangle. The other side of the triangle can be drawn here. So you got the point B now. Okay, A now, sorry, not B. A, B, C is drawn, and AB is 5.4 unit, and here it is 6 unit. Similarly, you will draw PQR, and it will be similar triangle PQR, where PQ is equal to 3.6, QR is equal to 2.8, and PR is equal to 4. You will do it yourself, and both you will put together in this, in one the side of the other. That means it should come here, it should come here, and it will look exactly similar to this after drawing. मैंने तो रफली किया, आपका video length, and because you only have to substitute the data and draw it. It's quite easy. We are having a little bit more tough diagram, tough construction coming now. Okay, let me move ahead so that you will have, this was something, construction is something which you know, this one, but the next one is not like this. So let me move to that, which I need a little more time to explain to you. So I'm going ahead. Chalo. That is the next construction. As I told you before, the next construction is not having any kind of measurement in that, only a proportion is given. Construct any ABC construct any ABC in such a way that A dash B C dash is AB is to A dash B is 5 is to 3. So you will be constructing a triangle ABC with any measure, and we are asked to construct A dash BC. What is happening here? Common. So last one was such a construction where both triangles were different. One was ABC, another was PQR. Here it is A dash BC dash. कभी हम use करते हैं ऐसा. In such a situation we use this kind of usage A dash B when it is in the as a shadow, or when it is an extended vertex, then we use dash. So this must be something like that. Plus the ratio is given, and secondly this B is common, so one vertex is common. ये आपको पढ़ने से समझ में आना मांगता है. One vertex is common, याद रखो. ABC PQR में एक भी वर्टेक्स कॉमन नहीं था. ABC और A डैश B डैश C होता तो भी वो इमेज बनता था, बट ABC A डैश B दिया है. लुक एट दिस, बोथ आर सेम. दैट मीन्स देयर इज ए कॉमन वर्टेक्स. तो आप सोचते होंगे दो ट्रायंगल और कॉमन वर्टेक्स. कॉमन वर्टेक्स है तो कॉमन एंगल भी होना मांगता है. तो कैसा होगा? मैं एक रफ आइडिया बताता हूँ. ये अगर एक ट्रायंगल है, इसका एक कॉमन वर्टेक्स लेके दूसरा ट्रायंगल बनना है, तो ऐसा एक बना है तो दूसरा ट्रायंगल बना, और दिस इज कॉमन. इफ यू वांट टू मेक हियर, देयर आल्सो यू विल डू द सेम. यू विल सिंपली डिवाइड दिस इनटू, so something like that may be the product. We will get into that later. Before that we should study the question once again. We have to construct ABC of our choice, अपना choice का. Then construct ABC. Then construct ABC dash. B तो वही चाहिए, तो फिर A dash इधर और C dash इधर डाले तो एक ट्रायंगल ऐसा मिलेगा. But it is also given that AB is to A dash B is 5 is to 3. AB and A dash B बराबर आ गया, same side. AC and A dash C dash. B is common. All conditions are satisfied. And we came to know that AB is big, because 5 is bigger than 3. And we are asked to construct A dash B C dash. So what is given is not measurement but relationship. In that case we have to use certain other common sense. What is that other common sense? We are having a rough diagram in front of us which tells us that B vertex is common. And I also did show you how it can be. When B vertex is common, कैसा होगा construction? आपको मैंने भी बताया. So we have made a rough diagram now which will help us. Rough diagram is a must. But it is given if BC is 5, sorry, not BC, AB and A dash B. The ratio of AB and A, if AB is 5, A dash will be 3. That means the ratio is maintained. If BC is 5, BC dash will be 3. If AC is 5, A dash C dash will be 3. But हमको कुछ भी नहीं दिया है, but ratio दिया है. So we have to divide the side at least BC or BA into 5 is to 3 ratio. Total 5 and 3 in between. For that we have to divide the side BC, for example, into 5 equal parts. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal part हो गया. And take this as C, and 3 part you can write C dash here. तो problem solve हो गया. Then how to divide a line segment into equal parts? अभी याद आया मैंने क्या याद ला रहा था last time, अभी थोड़ा time पहले. We should know how to divide this 5, because we are going to have C dash here, so C dash here diagram. So we will make any triangle ABC बोले तो हम वैसे ही करेंगे, मैं थोड़ा अपना डिजिटल का फ़ायदा उठाता हूँ, टाइम भी बच जाएगी मेरा, कि स्केल बिना ट्रायंगल बनाने जा रहा हूँ. इफ आई मेक ए ट्रायंगल सिंपली ए बी सी बनाना है. And if I have to divide the side into ratio, sorry, this is triangle A, B, C. And if I divide the side here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal and mark C dash over here, the same way over here A dash, my problem is solved. 5:3 साइड वाला दो ट्रायंगल बन गया, सिमिलर ट्रायंगल. बट हाउ टू डिवाइड द साइड, that is more important. You have studied dividing a line segment into equal parts in 5th standard. That you should apply here. How to do that? You need to simply draw a line of any angle like this. Divide that into और मार्क दैट इंटू 5 equal parts. वो कैसे करेंगे? For that you can simply let this be a line segment if required. We'll go to compass box and we'll take out our favorite compass and bring it over here. Oh, एक की जगह पे दो हो गया, एक बहुत है. Bring it over here. Mark 5 equal parts on this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what we will do is with the help of ruler अभी मैं टाइम जल्दी होने के लिए रूलर नहीं यूज़ कर रहा, आप रूलर यूज़ करेंगे. From the last point you connect it to C. Understood? Once you connect it to C, you will be drawing parallel lines to it which will intersect BC at 5 parts. Why? Because this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts में डिवाइड की. Now to draw parallel to this, इसके parallel में इधर लाइन आना मांगता है, like this. That is why first point I told you should know how to make parallel lines. To make parallel lines there are various ways. One of the simplest ways is using protractor and using set square and scale. Another way is copying this angle. This angle if copied here, here, here you can draw series of parallel lines. So let us do that. थोड़ा मेहनत है फिर भी वो अच्छा है. So what I have to do? I have to copy this angle throughout 5 times. How to do that? For that there is, you need the compass and draw an arc. Take the compass, put here, draw an arc. Take the compass, put here. Should be very careful which angle where it is drawing. Draw an arc. Take the compass, put here. Draw an arc. Take the compass, put here. draw an arc. Now you have to bring the compass here and measure the span of the angle. जो एंगल आपको कॉपी करना है उसका स्पैन मेजर करना है, बहुत ध्यान से. The span is this much. The span is this much. Okay. So do that span in every case. ध्यान से, कलर का इश्यू आना नहीं. I can change the color. You will be doing it with a pencil. आपको ध्यान देना है. Without disturbing the compass. You have to mark it. Take the compass to the next. Mark it. Take the compass to the next. Mark it. Then you have to draw parallel lines now with the help of scale and pencil in such a way that you will be having lines parallel to the given, starting from here through that, starting from here through the intersection, starting from here through the intersection, starting from here through the intersection. So you have divided the side BC now. आप इतना बड़ा काम करके साइड BC को 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts में डिवाइड किया. And it is given the ratio or relationship between the side AB and A dash B is 5:3. That means the same will be here. So 2 part here you will mark C dash. Understood? C dash you got. Now you need A dash somewhere here, which we don't know. There also you will copy this angle and draw parallel line. वो कैसे करेंगे? Same method. We will have compass now. Bring the compass. Draw an arc of choice here, keeping the compass here. Change the color of the compass, some difficulty to see. It will come in red color now. Okay, we have marked with compass. Now we need at C, we need an angle. We need a parallel line going to the side AB. So the same way we will do here also. But we don't know where exactly it will go, so we will simply draw an thing like that. Now measure the expansion here. You are supposed to measure the expansion. And keep it here. And mark the expansion. You got an intersection. Take the scale and pencil. Draw from here through that intersection a parallel line. This also have the ratio A to A to B will be 5 and C dash or BC dash will be having a ratio 3:5. So this will be 3, this will be 2, total will be 5. So we constructed a triangle ABC and another triangle डैश, ओह मैंने गलत लिखा ना, आप क्लास में तो अभी चिल्ला के बोलेंगे सर सी डैश नहीं है सर, इधर ए डैश है। ओके, ए डैश सी डैश बी और ए डैश बी सी डैश जो आपको कंस्ट्रक्ट करना था। ए बी सी बी बनाया, ए डैश बी सी डैश। Okay, my dear students, slowly and clearly you can do this. There are two more construction which I will be doing in the next video. Okay, thank you.
Now click on the subscription button below to subscribe the channel, then the bell button to get the notifications of the new videos. Thank you.